Shipping your exotic car? One wrong step could cost thousands. Exotic cars are more than vehicles, they're investments. A scratch, dent, or overlooked detail can ruin the experience. Proper preparation ensures your car arrives in pristine condition. Clean thoroughly, wash your car inside and out. This helps inspectors note pre-existing damage. Document everything, take detailed photos, front, back, sides, tires, and interior. Check fluids and battery top, off fluids, and ensure the battery is charged. Avoid leaks or dead batteries during transport. Tires and suspension, inflate tires to recommended pressure and note any suspension quirks. Remove personal items, don't leave valuables inside. Transporters focus on the car, not your stuff. Secure loose parts. Fold mirrors, retract antennas, and secure spoilers or attachments. Follow these steps and your exotic car will arrive safely, stress-free. Visit a1autotransport.com/how-do-I- prepare-my-exotic-car- for transportation/ for the full guide and expert shipping services.